Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to save as PDF in Canva. In last tutorial, we make pie chart in Canva. If you want to see how to make it, you can find the tutorial in this channel. Now, in this presentation design page, I have two pages. The first page is introduction page and the second page is pie chart. If you want to save as PDF, we can go to Share, click it, and then go to Download. In file type, we can choose PDF standard or we can choose PDF print. There are different purposes. The print is for printing and the standard is for document or emailing. I choose PDF standard and then we can customize the setting or I keep the setting and then download it. And wait a moment. So we got the PDF in the download folder. So this is how we can save as PDF in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.